acres.
I'm gonna
Goat
take
this
pictures.
for the cows.
Oh yeah, so that's where the cows.
Oh my,
What?
a bald.
Eagle.
Oh my gosh.
That's the first time I've seen a bald eagle here. I've seen crows. I've seen
Lots of hawks. On the other side of the street, you'll be able to see it when we walk this way. They live right there. They actually looked at that house first. But they said it was too dark. They said it was too dark in the castle. They really wanted open windows and open floor plan. That's Lana and Lana.
Coming. Hey, how you doing?
They stay nice and warm.
They're very thick hair.
Yeah, very thick. It thins out in the summer.
Oh, okay.
So before, once it starts. Yeah, it's amazing how quickly they grow.
Coming out. He's coming out.
Oh, he's fatter.
Yeah, these three are brothers.
That's just an accident.
Yeah, Winston. They're very, very smart. But they don't like the goats. The goats bully them.
Oh.
It's because of you.
Scared the pigs off.
Rude wants a horse. He asked Jason for a horse.
Like this kind or a real horse?
A real horse. He doesn't want a mini horse. Hi, Jason.
Not a mini.
What kind of horse?
It's a
They're
miniature.
mini horses.
They're mini
They're
horses.
not. They're small horses.
Hello. Look at this goat, honey. Oh my God.